Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm with my beautiful fiance and her sister, also very beautiful. And look at this, beaches of Greece. Amazing, right? We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday Bitcoin dropped very strongly and Ethereum dropped. It activated my trade, but I closed it because so what happened is Binance announced that they're pulling out of Canada. I feel sorry for Canadian citizens. That means you can't use Binance. You can't use Binance withdrawal for crypto to bank account. It's terrible what's been happening. If you're Canadian, American, make sure you're voting in pro-crypto politicians. Make sure you're lobbying your politicians to tell them that you want crypto technology. Canada just pretty much banned the internet from coming into Canada. It's like crazy what they're doing on a technological level. Crypto is bigger than the internet. It's the financial internet. So for them to ban it, it's insanity. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button down there and smash that thumbs up button and comment down below. Are you in Canada? How does this affect you? And what are you doing now with your crypto? Like, how are you going to withdraw to your bank account? What are some solutions? If any Canadians want to share down below for other Canadians in the comment. I just feel sorry for countries that are taking this stance. It's better to be pro-crypto like Singapore, Hong Kong. Australia's kind of pro-crypto, but let's see if they follow the same path. There's a lot of pro-crypto countries, and then you have some countries that are totalitarian like Canada that are anti-crypto, which is crazy. China is less restrictive, China is less restrictive than Canada. You wouldn't think that, right? It's like crazy to think that. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's jump into the technicals now. Going into the market, and the market was green today. Even with this Binance announcement, the market pulled back very strongly and then had a big bounce. SMR up 1%, IDEX 1%, Google slightly up, BNB up, even though the Canadian news, MCRT up around 3%, not showing on the chart here, but up around 3%. Ethereum, it came down to 1700, activated my trade. I closed it, but I should have actually left it open. I didn't expect it to bounce so quickly back because it was 11 Ethereum trade. So $100 bounce with 11 Ethereum would have been 1,100 in the profit, but I closed it because I just think that Binance FUD I expected it to have a bigger effect. Bitcoin is still in this uptrend according to Elliott wave. We're still in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. We're having a big correction right now, but as long as it doesn't break 25,200, it hasn't invalidated the Elliott wave. But I do think we're going to come down and touch it. We came close. Yesterday we had a big week down and then bounced back up, but I think we're going to come close to that 25,200. That's where I have a big long set on Bitcoin. RSI is oversold now on the daily. On the 4-hourly, RSI is turning up. On the hourly, RSI is slightly overbought. Volume is dropping off a bit. That trade, the smaller, riskier trade from yesterday hit the stop loss. But that's a big cup and handle that's forming here. Very big cup and handle. That's usually a bullish pattern on the shorter term time frame. But look at that week on that Binance announcement, then it just bounced back up. Crazy. I would think that getting banned from Canada would have a bigger effect on crypto, or Binance pulling out of Canada, but maybe the Canadians are moving into Bitcoin or something like this. I'm not sure why we had such a strong bounce, but 25k is my target for a big long on Bitcoin. This one here, it opens at 25,227, stop loss 24,433, take profit 35,000, 11 risk to reward ratio trade, risking 838 to make 9,800 with no leverage, with 10x leverage 98,000. For shorter term riskier trade, again, it's riskier these trades. It's a little bit of a bull flag there, but you could take a long for a shorter term riskier trade from here. I mean, it's going up if there's no more FUD, and then take profit. This is a smaller, riskier trade, risking 224 to make 2,124 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be $21,000 of profit. So those are the two trades that I would take on Bitcoin. I'll share these in the free Telegram. We have a group. There's a free Telegram. There's 8,585 of you. 8,585 of you. I'm sharing information. They're trading together. Also, yesterday I said, everyone, there is Apex Dex on Bybit. No KYC directly in app. If you're having problems with Binance without being able to trade on Binance now because of you can go into the Binance app and on the homepage of the Binance app. So, okay, how you get there. So if you want to trade under this video, smash up this thumbs up button. Click that bell notification and sign up to Bybit using that link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link. And now Bybit is offering a $1,000 free trade when you do KYC. But if you're not someone that likes KYC, and once you sign up to Bybit, which would be, oh, I didn't have it open. Once you sign up to Bybit, you can go to this home button, you can click more, and you can click Apex. And Apex is a decentralized exchange of Bybit. So you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade, so the way you move money, you just deposit, and you can move money from directly from your Bybit account to this Apex account. It's in the Bybit app, and you can decentralized DEX trade Bitcoin with your own wallet. So it's not on an exchange, it's just going through the Bybit interface, but it's a decentralized derivatives exchange. So you can trade if you don't want to do KYC. That's just on the homepage, of the Bybit app. So if you go onto the homepage here, it's just on the homepage. You click Apex, and that's more. You click Apex, and that's a decentralized exchange with no KYC. If you're interested in that, my Bitcoin, I closed those longs and those positions yesterday because I thought that FUD will pull back too much. I'm gonna set this Bitcoin, the bigger Bitcoin trade now. I want to set this big one for a lot of Bitcoin at 25. This will open at 25,271. Stop loss at 24,000. This one, 25,281. So I'm going to open a long at 25, order price, 25,281. And I'm going to do how much leverage do I have here? It's 22 isolated. I'm going to do 9x leverage. Don't do don't do high leverage unless you've taken the crypto course, unless you're a pro trader. If you do big leverage, you're just going to get wrecked. I'm going to do a 9x leverage, and I'm going to do a $12,000 trade. So that means my trade will be worth about $100,000. I'm going to take profit. My take profit, I'm going to set at that final impulse wave at 35,000 and stop loss at 24,400. So 35,000 is the target, and stop loss is at 24,400. 24,400. So I'm risking $3,700 to make $41,000. Confirm. And I'm going to open that long. It's going to start the trade at 25,281. It's a 4.2 Bitcoin trade. It's almost $12,000 of capital. It's going to be a $106,000 trade. Take profit 35,000. Stop loss at 24,400. Confirm. And that Bitcoin trade is now set, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to trade under this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses or a free $1,000 trade. And you can join the Crypto Masterclass, learn how to trade, and join that free Telegram. There's 8,500 of you discussing in there. Also, I want to show you something cool. This is WhatsApp, and this is chatgod.ai. So I just asked ChatGod, make an image of a millionaire sitting on a beach. Let's see what it creates. And this is completely free. And now ChatGod, it's chatgod.ai. You can talk to it on WhatsApp and Telegram completely free. It now has 114,000 users. 114,000 users. Look at the growth of ChatGod. Since 14th of April, we've now reached 114,000 users. This is the last 30-day growth of ChatGod. Almost in the last 30 days, 105,000 users have joined ChatGod. So it went from 3,000 to now 108,000 users, and active users is 22,000 active users, 136,000 messages sent. Its ChatGod is just growing like so crazy. And this, so it asked me a millionaire sitting on the beach, but it left out the millionaire, which is interesting. It just created a chair. I asked it to do the same thing just before, and it created this image. So that's my updates on Bitcoin, everyone. Don't forget, join that Telegram, trade together, learn together, study. I'm doing all of this from my phone. I just opened a $106,000 Bitcoin trade. Also, I'm going to buy some spot because about a week ago or 10 days ago, I sold all my positions. So in this account, I have 267,000. I have $122,000, 32,000 MCRT, 113,000 Uniswap, 7,400 FXS. So I'm going to buy some alts because I want to slowly get back in after the big drops. So I want to buy FXS. I've got a lot of buy orders for FXS, but it's holding quite strong at $6.40, which is interesting. I also want to buy Bitcoin. I want to start putting buy orders for Bitcoin now, for just spot Bitcoin. And I also want to buy, mainly right now I want to buy Uniswap, FXS. So I'm going to put buy orders. So I'm going to buy some FXS. Do I have buy orders? $4, $5, $4.50 Uniswap. So I'm going to buy FXS. I'll put a buy order for $6.10. I'll buy around $5,000 of FXS. Buy FXS at $6.10. Will execute. These are spot positions, so I'm actually owning the token. I want to also buy another $1,000 of Uniswap because Uniswap seems to be holding, but I want to just enter, like I want to ladder in. I don't want to buy it all at one time after I sold those positions before the drop. So I'm going to buy at this current price about $1,000 of Uniswap, and I'll slowly be entering back into those. So I bought $1,000 Uniswap, $5,000 of Dada, and I want to put some buy orders for Bitcoin as well. So I'm going to put some buy orders for Bitcoin. I'll buy one Bitcoin at 26,000. I'll buy one Bitcoin at 26,000. These are spot positions, confirm. So these are orders that I've just set, and they will execute automatically, which is beautiful. You can learn all of this in the Crypto Mastercourse. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing weekend, and I'm going to enjoy the beach. I'll see you all again tomorrow.